Put your hands behind your back.
What am I going to
I'm detaining you right now. For just right now. That's fine. Alright, the reason I'm detaining you is for shoplifting. Yep.
Chicken, everything I got is mine. Got it.
He says everything in that bag is his.
Bad as it is. Everything in that bag is mine. I'm being so honest. Check.
So I saw you putting 2 t-shirts in there. No.
Have a seat.
Man, I'm being so honest, man.
On June 2024, officers from the Warner Robins Police Department responded to a shoplifting alarm at the Walmart on Watson Boulevard around Warner Robins, Georgia. A routine alarm at Walmart sparks a showdown. What starts as shoplifting suspicion will soon become a fight for truth.
The advanced surveillance system, a key part of their security measures, was instrumental in identifying a male suspect who was selecting merchandise and concealing the items inside a backpack. An officer patrolling the area nearby arrived on scene and detained the man while inside the store.
Hey guy, how you doing? I'm alright. You got your ID?
Do I have my ID?
Mm-hmm.
I do not have my ID on me, sir.
You don't have any ID on you?
No, sir.
Okay, take your book bag out for me.
For what? This is
What's that?
suspicious.
Yep, set it down. Alright. Put your hands behind your back.
What am I going to
I'm detaining you right now. For just right now. That's fine. Alright, the reason I'm detaining you is for shoplifting. Yep.
Chicken, everything I got is mine.
What's that?
Everything I got is mine. Go ahead.
Everything in this bag is yours?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, let's walk out to the front. And we'll talk to them up there, okay? Hey, what's your name? Malachi what?
Thornton.
Malachi Thornton. How do you spell Malachi?
M-A-L-A-C-H-I.
Malachi?
No, it's Malachi.
Don't lie to me because that's just an additional charge.
Look, sir, I'm not
You need to tell me your
everything in there
information, your name, your birthday, everything.
Everything in there is mine.
Everything in here is yours. Okay, so they just called us for no reason. You gave your description because they was watching you put stuff in the bag.
Look in there.
But I'm telling you, I'm here to tell you right now that if you don't give me your name and your birthday, the proper name and birthday, then that's an additional charge. So even if this doesn't turn out to be a charge, you'll go to jail with me for obstruction if you don't give me your name and birthday. Okay. What's your first name? Spell it.
M-A-L-A-C-H-I.
Malachi. That's it right here. Alright, do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Alright.
I'm not trying to go to jail. I already got it.
He says everything in that bag is his.
Bad as it is. Everything in that bag is mine. I'm being so honest. Check.
So I saw you putting 2 t-shirts in there. And some socks, yeah.
So honest, I am not trying to go.
Okay.
Sir, man,
have a seat.
That is mine.
No.
Have a seat.
Man, I'm being so honest, man.
It's not.
Okay.
Man, that is mine.
It's not.
As officers demand her identity, every hesitant answer peels back another layer of evasiveness, each word a thread unraveling her story.
That's it.
What about
Certain man, I am.
Is that his bag? Or?
Yeah, because that's
Okay.
not, yeah, I don't know where that's coming from, but it's
Alright. Spell your first name.
M-A-L-A-C-H-I. Ma'am, I am not trying to go to jail.
Do you have an ID?
Everything, no ma'am.
What's your last name?
All that stuff is my
Hey, right here, buddy. Last name. Thornton.
Thornton.
And your birthday?
Oh,
It doesn't take that much thinking to think about your birthday.
I have bad memory problems, sir. Oh,
You look like you're about to lie to me, and that's what I'm telling you don't do.
I'm not.
Okay, birthday. You think?
I think that's what it is.
What's your address?
I don't have one. I'm currently homeless, sir.
What's your phone number?
That's why I'm not trying to go to jail.
What's your phone
I
number?
want to do the right thing. I don't even have.
No address and no phone number.
No phones.
Okay, you're adding up more lies.
I am not. I'm being so honest.
Where are you staying then?
I'm staying with somebody right now.
Who's that somebody?
I stay at a hotel.
That's not somebody.
But I'm staying with somebody at a hotel, so it's a somebody.
Hey, do you have an ID through Georgia?
I don't have. I'm being honest with you.
You don't have any ID? You never got a driver's license? You never got an ID?
I was supposed to get it tomorrow, but...
Yeah, tomorrow's always the answer, isn't it?
I'm being honest.
102 Central.
I'm
Let me
really
go
not
first.
lying. I'm being so for real, like... I'm being honest.
How old are you?
I'm 19. I need a job.
This makes it hard.
Yeah. Did you try to apply online or anything?
I don't got no phone.
You can go to the library for free.
What states have you lived in?
Just resign the state. So I ain't going to jail.
We don't know yet.
Come on in.
Thanks, sir. How you doing?
I'm not sure how accurate that is.
That's the truth.
Did it come back to anything?
Okay, they haven't told me
They
that.
haven't told you.
Alright, you'll be the first to know.
I am not trying to get locked up for shoplifting.
Well, you were trying to get locked up for shoplifting because you were shoplifting. Just because you don't want to be doesn't mean you weren't shoplifting.
Anything come back yet?
It's not looking very good there, Mr. Thornton.
While we're waiting, I'll go get a total amount on these, okay?
Now I'm going through a lot.
Yeah, and this might be adding on to it.
Officers, I am going, look at me in my eyes. I am exhausted. I'm tired. I'm going through a lot.
When the threat of facial recognition tech enters the room, the dynamic shift's instantly detainment gives way to formal arrest.
It's spelled like that. That's my
You're full of crap.
government. That's how it's spelled. That's my government. Like in the Bible,
Central, can you try Malachi in different
Malachi. My last name Thornton. I have many problems, sir.
Don't believe you.
Spell your first name again.
Malachi, capital M.
How old are you?
I'm 19, sir. I remember my age. I'm telling y'all my age. So what make you think I'm lying about my name? That's all I'm
Just
saying.
the way you're acting.
Where you stay at, man? What's your address?
I don't know the whole.
He doesn't live anywhere.
I stay somewhere, but I don't know the address.
That's alright.
I'm not
False
from
name and date of
I'm not
birth.
from that, sir. Look, sir.
Shoplifting. You're just adding to it, that's all.
Sir, I'm being so honest. I'm telling you my name, the way I know how to spell it, my last name. I told you my date of birth. What else do you want to know? You're assuming I'm lying. I'm telling you I'm not.
No. It's not an assumption.
I don't know that. I know. I'm not.
You spelled your name two different ways.
I said Malachi.
Yeah,
My
a
family
second ago
called
you
me Malachi, but I forgot. It's the government. It's you know. Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm being honest.
What's your middle name?
My middle name, Nazir.
Spell it.
Nazir. Y'all can't get nowhere with that. This is the honest truth, sir. I'm not trying to go to jail. I smell funny. I
don't care how you smell. You're a thief.
And I'm not a thief. I'm not.
You were trying to steal stuff from Walmart. That's a thief.
I'm not doing that. God forgive me. I'm not doing that.
Well, luckily, God is different than our general or criminal justice system.
I don't know what to say back to that, but sir, I'm being truthful. I really don't want to go to jail.
I actually forgot some stuff.
Sir, that's mine.
No, I don't believe you.
That's my stuff.
It's coming out of the bag.
That's
Your
my
stuff.
drink. Can I?
The drink might be yours.
Everything.
Hey, is this y'all's too?
Ooh, I watched it.
I'm
Dylan.
in this situation.
I understand, but you
I
still
don't know.
You still don't
I'm
make.
I don't.
Now the charges read allowed false information and obstruction. The stakes ratchet up as the weight of her choices settles in.
What did you just say, man?
So we'll go ahead of that too.
Now,
Perfect.
Okay. If you will, when you do figure out his name and all his information, if you can give me a call.
Well, we'll give you a case number so that
Yeah.
you can just get.
So
We'll figure it out here in a little bit whenever
Yeah.
we fingerprint him.
Yeah.
Can you talk to me too?
Okay.
What do you need that for?
She doesn't need to talk to you no more. She's talking to us because we got business that we're handling.
Now, where the camera footage that I stole anything?
We'll go to court and you'll see it.
I have Malachi force
So
from the
y'all
back
press
with
the charge?
like K for the first
Yeah.
name.
For
There's
what?
a different spelling with the
For
last
you
name,
shoplifting
but
and for you not cooperating.
For me not. I'm cooperating. What else do you want
Is
me?
there a picture?
I'm telling the truth. You want me to tell? Y'all want to hear some? Y'all, it's not the truth, sir.
I'm
now,
gonna go check it.
I'm not trying to
good?
go to jail.
Yeah, so will you just get that spelling right? Oh, thanks, sir.
I'm not trying to go to jail.
Looks like it's gonna be that. But with a
Can
K.
y'all talk to me, please?
So Mady, M-A-L-A-K-I, and that's gonna be spelled a different way too. It sounds like.
Okay.
Yeah, he's gonna bring it back to me though for sure.
Okay, cool. Please understand we do have facial recognition now. So now that we're gonna put you in the system, this is someone that recognize your face if you tried to step in, and then we would be able to see you and follow you. And then we'd be able to see, oh, he's going against his trespass.
Oh my
Bringing
god.
things, okay?
Oh my god. I can't believe it.
So we got him for false name and date of birth.
That's
He's
not
got
false name.
warrants
That's my real name.
Sylvania and Washington County, and his name is spelled M-A-L-A-K-I.
I told you it was.
You did
something
not
like,
tell us that.
sir. I told
So false name and date of birth.
Look,
And it is Thornton spelled like.
It is Thornton.
Okay.
Birthday is correct. No, birthday's
that's what I'm telling you.
okay.
I'm not lying to you.
You are lying.
I'm being honest.
You're full of crap.
I'm not full of it. I'm being honest with you, sir. It's the honest truth.
That's okay.
I'm not trying to go to jail.
You're doing a good job at trying to go to jail.
I'm doing a good job at trying not to go to jail.
You're going to jail.
This is his bag or their bag?
That's his bag. She said it came in with
Everything
it.
is mine.
I don't think.
I own
Yeah, check that
everything.
out.
All of this, I own everything. Now, steady saying, I purchased that.
What was the,
Show me on the
amount?
camera that I stole something.
So, like I said, we'll be going to court and you'll see it there. It's $6.98 for 2 t-shirts, and then each shirt is $6.98, and then $11.98 times 2 for 2 packs of socks. Which I can go get you a detailed.
You don't need the detail.
You need a
I'm just gonna
detailed.
put it. No, I
No,
should be
you're
good.
good. Okay, I just wanted to be sure.
Thank you.
By minute 13, panic and pain break through. A plea for medical aid exposes the raw human toll of this encounter.
Man, come on now.
Go to court, y'all.
That's all right.
I'm going to court.
You basically talk too much, is all.
Hop up, that's right.
How did you spell his name again?
M-A-L-A-K-I.
M-A-L.
My family
A-K-I?
always told me it was C-H-I. That's why I told you that. And you told my false info.
I'm true. I'm
That's
true.
a damn lie.
Thornton is
Thornton. T-H-O-R-N-T-O-N.
T-H-O-R-T. Okay.
N.
Okay.
T-H-O-R-N-T-O-N.
Oh, N-T-O-N.
Bro, bro. You said I'm being detained, bro.
No, you're arrested now. It switched from detainment to arrest.
It's some
Once we
bullshit.
figured out the probable cause for
It's
your
some
arrest.
bullshit, man.
Is it?
Hey, watch the
God.
language.
I'm sorry.
I don't think you're sorry.
I'm really sorry.
You're sorry you got caught.
No, I'm sorry that everything happened. How it happened. I want to arrive in police station.
That's where we're going.
I'm not trying to go there. That's not jail. Not meant for me.
I wasn't either till a little later.
Jail meant for crime for people that break the law, and I'm not one of the people that break the law.
Okay.
Change today.
It's in there, and then I'll get you a copy.
This is bullshit, bro. Then some of my false information.
I don't know why we still do these.
I have to get because of my coach,
Why, man?
and she's
It's
like
some bullshit, bro.
the file, and I'm like trying to
Pissing
explain
me
how
off.
y'all
false information.
that y'all don't need to be
What?
there when y'all go get them, but
Hell, man.
just like, just get them.
It used to only be if y'all were taking
Like
the charges,
Right.
and we take the charges.
Come on, false information. That's some bullshit.
Hey, watch your mouth, please.
I'm sorry, man, but this
Stand up.
just
It's
hurt
okay.
my nerves.
Stand up.
How you gonna say
Stand up real quick.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I ain't got nothing? Nothing at
Come this
all.
way. Come this way.
Man, I don't have anything. I don't commit crimes. I don't have
Too much stuff on me.
Hey, I'll bring it out to you.
Thanks,
Bro, I shoot, bro.
Go on.
I need to see medical, bro.
Do you?
Yeah, that's what I need to see.
Stay right there.
Dude, I need to talk to you to see. Real. Bro, I need to see medical, bro.
Do you?
For real.
All right, we'll talk about what's all's going on down there.
Man, my motherfucking back hurt, bro. Then I ain't got shit to smoke, man. This shit that groovy. That groovy, bro. I ain't got shit to smoke, bro.
Cuffs click shut. Her final protest, I don't commit crimes, rings out against iron evidence, leaving us to judge what we've witnessed.
Officers done lost y'all damn mind. Hell no, man. It's not it.
Watch me.
Bro, I'm going to jail, bro.
How old are you?
100 to 102.
Kiss my ass.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I wanna lie.
You may go.
Goof. I try to be nice to y'all,
Yes,
but y'all wanna lie. Yeah. I'm trying to be honest with y'all people, but y'all wanna play with this shit, man. That's all I was trying to do. You feel me? I don't smell like a fucking mush dog.
23 Central. One ain't cussed him out there.
I don't like this for real. To my goddamn shoplifting.
What do you advise reference that
Damn,
is separate
nigga, yeah, shoplifting. Come on, man.
You can send the hip. We've got yours.
Were you able to confirm a social or anything with it? It's just a different spelling with the last name.
Damn, man. It pissed me out, man.
What's your social, man?
I don't know my damn social.
I don't know it. You don't know it?
Hell no.
Okay. He doesn't know it's central.
Damn, man. Shit. And I'm finna hit this thick bitch. Now I'm locked up, man. Shit, horny. You know pussy was fat. Damn, man, jet, man. That shit here is hell, man. Told me, bro. Why it got to be me on a good day? In this summertime, man. And then they want to press charges and shit, man. Shit lame as hell. Shit lame as shit. I'm not for that. Damn, bro. Nigga act, man. I'm requesting for medical, man. I need to see
When we get
medical.
down here, we gotta see what's going on, okay?
I can't be doing this shit, man. This shit hard for y'all nigga for real.
You guys have contact within a less than space subject. Your complaint is going to be with the Department of Labor. They want you to give their number to the subject in reference to an ongoing investigation.
Hey, bro. This shit lame as
123 Central at headquarters.
50-50.